Video number 14, GMB Technical Setup, Step-by-Step Tutorial. Setting up your business on Google My Business is a simple task, and it is the first step to increasing your business's online visibility in your area of service. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to set up different aspects of your GMB listing. How to verify your business on Google. Step 1. Sign in to Google My Business. Go to google.com/business to sign in. Step 2. Click Verify Now. If you have multiple Google My Business accounts, make sure you choose the correct one. Step 3. Choose a way to verify. Postcard by mail is the default verification option. If your business is eligible for other methods, such as phone or email, choose the one you prefer. Fill in the required details. It can take a few days to 2 weeks for the postcard to arrive. When you receive your postcard, sign it and click Verify Location from the menu. Enter the 5-digit verification code from your postcard. How to edit your business on Google. Here's how. Sign in to Google My Business. Open the location you'd like to edit. In the menu on the left, click Info. Click the pencil icon to make your edits. If you want to remove a section, click the X. When you are finished, click Apply. It can take 60 days to appear, and some info cannot be edited. How to add multiple locations on Google My Business. If you've opened a new location or just created a profile and need to add additional locations, follow these steps. From your Google My Business dashboard, click Manage Locations in the left-hand menu. Click the blue Add Location button on the right. Type in your business name and click Create a New Business with this name. Fill in the information and request verification. Another option is to go to Google Maps and drop a pin on the location you would like to add. Click Add a Missing Place in the left menu, fill in the details, then select Claim This Business. If you have more than 10 locations, you can add them in bulk. Can you turn off Google reviews for your business? No. You cannot turn off Google reviews for your listing, and it wouldn't be in your interest to do that anyway, as reviews show customers that your business is legitimate. But you can flag and report inappropriate reviews. Managing reviews is important, but it can be difficult if you oversee multiple locations and Google My Business accounts. How to mark a business or location as temporarily closed. Here's how. Sign into Google My Business. Click Info in the left menu. Look for the Close This Business on Google section on the right. Click Mark as temporarily closed. To set special hours for holidays or other circumstances, click Info in the left menu, then Special Hours. How to add photos to your Google My Business profile. Sign into Google My Business, open the location you'd like to manage, click Photos from the menu. Choose the type of photo you'd like to add. Upload your photo from your computer or choose one you've already uploaded. How to create a post on Google. Sign in to Google My Business and open the location you'd like to manage. From the left-hand menu, click Posts. Choose the type of post you'd like to create from the options given. Enter the relevant information in the field. Copy should include necessary details and be concise. Avoid commercial slang and too much punctuation. Click Preview to double-check formatting and spelling. If you need to make an edit, click the back arrow. When you're ready, click Publish. How to change an address on Google My Business. Sign into your Google My Business account. If you have multiple locations, choose the location you would like to change. From the menu, click Info. Click on the address field. Enter your address following the guidelines we have explained above. Then click Apply. If Google can't find the address, look for the red Set Marker Location button that appears over the map of your city on the right side. And then click Set Marker Location. A map will appear with a red pin, and you can drag this pin and place the pin at the center of your location. If you are a restaurant in the center of a shopping mall, you can drag this pin to help users locate your business. When you're done, click Apply. Please note, the changes may not be immediate. GMB may review the change before it's published. How to add or edit attributes. From your account dashboard, click Info. Find Add Attributes and select Edit. Search for the attribute you want to add or scroll through the available options for your business. Click Apply. How to get a custom URL for your Google My Business account. From the dashboard, click Info and then Add Short Name. Enter your short name. It can be up to 32 characters. You may need to come up with alternatives if the name you want is taken. Click Apply. How to select your GMB business category. Start typing in potential categories to surface options, or view a full list of categories. Each category has a GCL ID, a specific technical ID, that may be able to help you pick between categories that may seem similar. Set up GMB on your phone to access customer chat. Your GMB listing also allows you to set up direct chat with customers through the GMB app. How to flag a review for removal. Go to the review. Tap or click More. Select either Flag Review from the GMB account or Report Review from Google Maps. Pro tip: the more people who report a review for removal, the more likely that review will be removed. What to do when you work from home and don't want your address visible on GMB. To do this, make sure you are logged into Google My Business and head to the Info tab. Find your address and click on the pencil icon next to it, which will take you to the Edit screen. You will see a Clear Address button towards the bottom of the pop-up, an image below. Go ahead and click it. Be sure to double-check that the locations listed as your service areas, the section below on the main info screen, are correct, and add any others you serve that are not there. How to use call tracking numbers and maintain NAP consistency. Within the info section of your GMB listing, you will see a phone number section with options for both primary and additional phone numbers. Make sure you add your call tracking number as the primary phone option and your standard business phone as an additional phone number. This ensures that it remains connected to your business and remains consistent across your NAP profile. Be the business who has an active and busy listing that earns the 5-star reviews and whose profile leaves competitors wishing theirs looked as great. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.